Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Benson from Kipo and the Edge of the Wonderbeasts. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a curve line across for the lower part of his cap. And from the left corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and slightly outwards. Semicircular turn at the cheek, diagonally inwards to his chin right there, and turn it diagonally back up on the right side of the face. Turn it upwards below the ear right there, diagonal turn out and to the right, semicircular turn upwards diagonally and turn it back inwards and downwards to the side of his face. Turn it upwards with a diagonal line and upwards. Inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the outline at this upper portion, and at the side on the left here, I'm gonna turn it diagonally out and down and turn it back inwards. Above the ear, I'm gonna draw a line upwards. Semicircular turn at the top of the cap right there to the left, and from the left side of the head at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards, semicircular turn to the right and sideways to the right, semicircular turn downwards diagonally right there. I'm gonna trace the same outline at this inner corner below the cap along the edges, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the ear on the left side right there. At the side of the cap, I'm gonna extend this curved line to the side of his head. Above the cap, I'm gonna draw at the side here a curved line upwards. Now for his eye, I'm gonna take this point in the middle of his face and draw a diagonal line out and up, semicircular turn downwards at the outer corner, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing at this lower point right here. I'm gonna thicken the line around the eye right there. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape in the middle point, and I'm gonna thicken the surrounding line of that circle. Inside of that, on the top right corner, I'm gonna draw a small circle and a black circle in the middle point of the eye. Above the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and I'm gonna thicken that line. Copy the whole eye shape and the eyebrow shape on the left side. Now for his nose, below the eye at the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line out, semicircular turn back inwards at this lower point. Mirror the same shape on the right side right here, and below the nose, I'm going to draw a curved line across for his mouth. Turn it back upwards on the right side. Above that, from the outer corner, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there. And for the lower lips, from the same corner, I'm going to draw a curved line again and turn it further down in the middle point and back up on the right side. Below the head, I'm going to draw his neck on the left and right side, a line downwards right there. And from the side of the neck, I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the middle point on both the left and right. In the middle point right there, I'm going to draw a line downwards, and at the side of that, a line downwards, diagonally out, and sharp turn back to the side of the neck. Copy the same shape again on the right side. At the side of the neck, I'm gonna draw a line across and out on both sides. At the side of that, a curved line downwards and slightly turn it outwards and downwards. Sharp turn back up at the outer corner and turn it back inwards at its upper point. Sideways to the right and turn it downwards. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the backpack strap on the right side right here. And at this lower point, I'm gonna turn it and at the outer corner of the strap on the right, I'm gonna turn it diagonally downwards right there. Along the strap, I'm gonna draw two lines across at this corner and at this upper point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. And below the collar, below the strap on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards, semicircular turn at the lower point, curved line diagonally downwards, semicircular turn across, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side right there. In the middle of his shirt, I'm gonna draw the cat head with a line across for the top, turn it upwards at the side, sharp turn back down diagonally, semicircular turn at that side to the middle point with a diagonal line, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the left side right here. From the tip above the ear, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, sideways to the outer corner. For the eye, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape on the left corner right there, and a line down in the middle point. Copy the same shape again for the right eye. In the middle of the eye below, I'm going to draw his nose with a triangular shape, a line down at the tip below, diagonal line to the sides below that. Below that head, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across right there. And below his shirt, I'm going to draw at the side a line down on both the left and right. And I'm gonna copy the same diagonal line above at this lower point right there. Below that, off center, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line down, turn it sideways and up to the left and turn it upwards. Copy the same shape again on the right side right there. Below his shirt at the side, I'm gonna draw his pants with a line downwards, flare it slightly out with a curved line, turn it back inwards. Continue the line of the pants downwards, flare it out again below that, and another curved line at the lower point right there. Continue the line downwards, curved line across below the pants, and turn it upwards in the middle point. Flare it out with the diagonal line, turn it back inwards, and continue that line all the way up to the middle point of his legs. Curve line across in the middle point of his pants right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leg on the right side right there. In the middle point of the pants, I'm gonna draw a line down from the shirt, and on the right side of that, another line down, turn it sideways to the left. Below his pants, I'm gonna draw a line downwards for the inner line and the outer line of his legs, and below that, I'm gonna draw a line across for the top of his boots, turn it downwards at the back right here. And from the front part, turn it downwards. And at the front corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that point. Continue the line of the boots downwards. Turn it sideways to the left and semicircular turn downwards. A line across from the front all the way to the back on the right side right there. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm going to draw another line across at that corner. From the front of the shoe, I'm going to draw a curved line to the right and turn it downwards at the side right there. From the side of that, a diagonal line up and turn it upwards. Continue that line all the way to the top of the shoes. At the back, I'm going to draw a line upwards from the base, semicircular turn to the right. I'm going to copy the same shape of the shoe on the right side right here. Now for his hands, I'm gonna draw from the side of the strap a curved line outwards, semicircular turn downwards, all the way to the sleeve. Flare it out with a curved line below that and turn it back inwards. And curved line across to the left. On the right corner, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and a line across to the left at the lower point. Now for his hand, I'm going to draw a line down from the outer corner, semicircular turn at that point diagonally inwards, semicircular turn upwards, and I'm going to copy the same shape again on the left side right here. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the arm on the left side as well. For his backpack on the right side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line outwards and turn it downwards, slightly inwards.
That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!